Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer, presented by ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com as well as ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com. We, of course, are back at it again with Italian attorney Marco Permunian, and I am Rafael Di Furia. And in this episode, we wanted to ask Marco, how do you register a birth in Italy?
The Italian law allows Italian citizens to register the birth certificate of their minor children through the Italian Consulate. The consulate that needs to be used is the consulate that serves the area where the parent is located, the parent who is making the application on behalf of the minor child. The process involves the submission of the birth certificate of the minor child, duly legalized and translated into Italian, to the consulate, who will process the registration application and will send the record to the municipality in Italy where the Italian citizen is registered. Let's keep in mind that every Italian citizen who is residing abroad should register with the AIRE if their intention is to live in the foreign country for longer than 12 months. Or, of course, individuals who have obtained citizenship by descent through an Italian consulate should register with the AIRE if their intention is to continue to live in their country as Italian dual citizens, and therefore Italians who reside abroad are registered both in the registry held by the Italian consulate in the area where they reside and in the registry of the Italian municipality in which they're registered with the AIRE. With specific regard to the minors, the consulate will transfer the record of birth of the minor to the municipality in Italy, and that process will result into the obtainment of citizenship for the minor as well. Now, this process can only be done and be initiated by the parent when the minor is a minor, so under 18, meaning that after the child turns 18, that process is no longer possible, and the child itself needs to apply for citizenship by descent, which is no longer a registration process. It's rather a formal application for citizenship iure sanguinis, which takes a much longer time. So it's important to register the birth of children before they turn 18, because that process is relatively simple, it's free of charge, and will result in the immediate obtainment of Italian citizenship for the minor child.
Well, Marco, thank you so much for answering this question and for shedding light on this topic. Of course, for those of you who are interested in more on this, be sure that you're subscribed to this YouTube channel as well as the audio-only podcast. And of course, be sure to check out our other projects such as the Italian Citizenship podcast as well as the Italian Real Estate podcast. Of course, we've been here again with Italian attorney Marco Permunian. I'm Rafael Di Furia, and this has been another episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer, presented by Italian Real Estate Lawyers as well as ItalianCitizenshipassistance.com. Thanks. Later.
Thank you.